I'm Kenny, connecting books to fun realities. I help my wife and own the prep to kill friction and buy us some peace at home. Today, I help prep for a dive into Pete the Cat. I love my white shoes. This is about extending their curiosities through a build that actually makes sense to them. We've got our raw materials like bread for the shoes, which would be cut into squares, strawberries for the red shoes, blueberries for the blue shoes, bonus for the table, peanut butter for the mud, and honey to mix into the fruit spread that is sure to make your kids want more. After the read, have the kids stomp on the bag barefooted. Get into character and ask, "Oh, I think you stepped on a blueberry. What color are your shoes now?" Then do it with the strawberry. Once it's all mushed, head to the table with the bags and scoop out the fruit into the bowl. That's where that random green leaf from the strawberry pops out. Act surprised like, and then ask for the color. The kids would sure laugh. Pro tip, if you add a bit of honey and mix it into the bowl with the smashed fruit, your kids will give you a bonus smile. We add peanut butter to the fun, but some of you are allergic, so I suggest chocolate. And as I spread it on our new shoes, which is now the bread, I asked them, "Oh no, we just stepped on mud. What color is our shoe now?" And then they all laugh, and then they'll say brown. It's pointless for these cute little brains to listen to you read and wonder, what the heck are you saying? So in this lab, we just don't eat. We don't just read. We analyze and bring books back to reality. We take our time. We ask them, what other colors do they know? What other things are the same color? We get into character and we just have fun. They feed off of your energy, and it's great to be silly. It's great to be goofy because, like Pete says, it's all good. And even better, your interactions will be etched into their memories forever and not publicized on a live feed. So go all out. Check out my blog for more ideas, plus like and share the playbook to spread the family fun.